Silence everyone. Page number 197. Exercise 5. Section C. Question 19. Find d square y by dx square if y is equal to square root of x plus 1 upon square root of x. First of all, square root of x will write as x raised to 1 by 2, and 1 upon square root of x will write it as x raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay? In the denominator it's x raised to 1 by 2. If you bring it in the numerator it becomes minus. Any confusion in this? Then Pooja. First we'll find the first order derivative dy by dx. D upon dx of x raised to 1 by 2 plus x raised to minus 1 by 2. Further, yes, be attentive. N is 1 by 2 into x raised to n is 1 by 2 minus 1. Plus into minus becomes minus. Again n is 1 by 2. X raised to n is minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Any confusion in this? Further, yes, be attentive. If you cross multiply 2 into 1, 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Here again if you cross multiply 2 into 1, 2. But minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 2. It's not minus 1 into minus 2. Someone was saying plus and minus. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 2. Yes, but further do we need to bring it down? No. If only dy by dx is asked, bring it down. But we are asked d square y by dx square. So no need to waste time in bringing it down. Okay, directly we'll find d square y upon dx square. Did everyone understand this? Divyajit? Correct. Did you understand this? Now again second order derivative means we'll differentiate this once again. Yes, further. So minus 1 by 4. What is 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4? Any doubt in this? 3 by 4 simply. First of all, minus into minus will become plus. And 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 4. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. So 3 by 4. Did you understand this, everyone?
Yes. X raised to minus 3 by 2 minus.
Is everyone clear with this? Power is minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay? 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. X raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4. X raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 1. Minus 2 into 1 becomes 2. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 2.
Minus 5.
Yes, x raised to again 2 into 1 is 2. And minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5 by 2. Now this is the final answer as so you bring it back in the denominator. Means minus 1 upon 4x raised to 3 by 2 plus 3 upon 4x raised to 5 by 2. Did every one of you understand the second order derivative?
Yes.
Anyone having any doubt in this? Now section D. If fx is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 5, then for which value of x, f dash x will be equal to f double dash x. First of all we'll find f dash x and f double dash x. Then we'll equate them and simplify it and obtain the value of x. So we'll come to know at which value of x they would come equal. Okay. So first of all f dash x. Rushil, yes, fx is also y. So d upon dx of 3x square plus 4x plus 5.
6x plus 4.
So 3 into 2 is 6x plus 4x becomes 4 and 5 becomes 0. Did everyone understand this? Then Ritu. D square y upon dx square. D by dx Now 6x plus 4 will be differentiated again, so only 6. 6x becomes 6 and 4 becomes 0. So is everyone clear with it? Now we have to find for which value of f dash x would be equal to f double dash x. So put down f dash x is given equal to f double dash x. Anand, put the values.
6x plus 4
F dash x is 6x plus 4.
is equal to 6.
F double dash x is 6. Further,
6x is equal to 6 minus
4 on the right side will become minus. Further,
6x is equal to 2.
6 minus 4 is 2.
X is equal to
6 on the other side will get divided. So 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Did every one of you understand the second order derivative perfectly? Any confusions in that? Put the camera off.